Hey guys, welcome to Pilates platform video guide series. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an application on this platform. So in order to create an application, just click on configure on the navigation panel and then click on app manager. App manager is basically another application from which you can create your own application. So in order to create our application, click on create and I'll be choosing weather app as the name of our application because in this video series we'll be creating a weather application just to show you how you can create a application, how you can work with that application, edit that application, and whatever you want to do on this platform, I mean by writing code. So just write description, I mean whatever the description that you want to write, and over here you can see some checkboxes are checked. So UI template is basically the front end part of the application, the HTML, and client policy is the controller part of the application. So if you have heard of model view controller architecture, so that's good. If you haven't, then just Google it. So you must know what model view architecture is, so in order to understand the structure of this application. And then the dashboard page is basically required by the platform to render this application. So we will not be dealing with dashboard page, so it will be automatically created by the platform. So and then the navigation, whether we want to add this application on the navigation bar or not. So I have checked it right now. So all the checkboxes that are checked, so platform will be creating all these uh, files automatically. So that's the beauty of this platform. You don't need to create individual files, HTML, JavaScript. And to fetch the data from the third party weather API, will be creating a route, and I'll be showing that creation of that route in a different video itself, because creating a route is a lot in itself. I mean, you have to configure a lot of things to create a route. So I'll be creating a separate video for that, and let's just click on create now. So I will not be clicking on create because I have already created this application. I was just showing you how you can do that by yourself. So just click on cancel, and now just head straight to UI template. So over here at the top, you can see that the weather application is listed at the top itself. So whenever you create a new application, the components of that application are listed at the top. Now this is the UI template. Basically, these are all the HTML files belonging to different applications on the platform. And policies. So I showed you that a client policy was checked. So client policy has also been created over here, like you can see that weather app. So in this video, I'll be just showing you how to work with the UI template. So let's just go to UI template. So it's just the same code that you write in your local system. So, and this is the styling part. So I'll be explaining you, I mean, how does this works. So let's just first render the application over here. Now you can see that nothing will render because we have commented the whole HTML, right? So right now just I'm gonna just uncomment this whole HTML, sorry, right? So it's the same HTML that you write in your local system. So over here you can see some of the bootstrap classes over here added in the HTML, and also you can see AngularJS syntax, right? So it will be showing the temperature and location. So over here you can see that only the body, the main logic of our application is here, not the header part like the meta tags and the doc type HTML, right? And if you want to add styling, you can add styling over here, but we don't need any scripts and any of that, we just don't have to do any. So it's we don't have to do any of that. So it's just a clean way to separate the HTML and uh, the JavaScript in a separate client policy that we call on the platform. So controller part is the client policy. We call controllers the client policies. So it's just a cleaner way to write code, right? You don't have to import anything, so platform will automatically do it for you, right? So we have to just focus on the main HTML and the main JavaScript. So that's it. I hope you understand all of this. So that's the HTML, and now if I refresh this right now, oh, actually I haven't saved it. So by pressing Control plus S and it gets saved. So now again refresh. So there you go. Over here you can see just the image of the sun and a box with a little bit of yellowish gradient and the background color, this blue background color. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to interpolate data, show the data over here with the help of client policies, right? So keep watching. Thanks guys.